This Charlesudi, one of the biggest farmer in Anambra State. One of the biggest farmer in Anambra State. This guy now feels sustain me for like a week. Video a farm. Now one section be this.
These are my boss. So.
Shudi Lala.
I first give me feed price supply 20. Is this
2018. Guy, don't think. You
long.
understand? It might be long. You understand? In this industry for more than a decade. You know? Steady crashing.
Steady crashing. That's the crash market now.
Right? Oh my God, and they crash with no good. Enjoy this space. Hey! Oh my God, see view, guy.
This one now. You carry this one go to that side. The white pond, like you carry out there. Hey, man. Oh, good morning. I don't know now.
This right here is Charlesudi of Shudi Agro. Almost see as the guy manage his space. The guy manage space like mad. All the space for here was well managed. Yeah, this guy. See as he manage here too. Yeah, Shudi. Hey! Guy, even yam too. Confirm.
So I want to convert here. This year, only my brother stays inside. Everybody.
And yeah, a few whole bed, at least one bed.
Well,
and
one will be here, one will be here.
Huh? Shudi.
I want to open the guy.
And this one, no, they serve.
But I want what I get here. Nobody say that what I did in all years.
Oh my guy, this water they try, guy.
Check them now.
Guy, this water they try.
Then I put that. You better look back far. Very big, Abby.
Oh my guy, big.
Don't tell why they turn big people.
So, Shudi, how have this business been?
This one night on me. Oh, it have been ups and down, man.
I'll be up and down. Abi?
You create your own energy. You create your own security. You create your own force.
I own drainage too.
Your own drainage too, my brother.
I own drainage.
So, what are you supposed to use that at profit? We don't know also.
No be lie, one name. No be lie.
That thing they frustrating. Nah, I think they're such.
And the name be 30 kg.
Okay, 20 pieces.
I keep telling you guys, drainage is very important for fish farming. Very, very important. Now see, drainage. This is millions spent on drainage. Millions. Shudi, how have you been coping?
I've not been coping well. I can't breathe again.
You can't breathe. You see, due to drainage. Drainage is very, very important.
Drainage is draining my life.